Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In this video, let's fix verification required in App Store. So verification required in App Store almost always means that there is a problem with your Apple ID payment setup, even if you're downloading free applications. Let's open settings, and first of all, let's check your payment method. In settings, tap your name at the top, which is your Apple ID. Now let's select section payment and shipping. Sometimes it may ask you to log into your Apple ID account. And please make sure that there is valid payment methods added and that your payment method is not expired. Second, you have to update your billing address. In the same payment and shipping section, you have to tap your payment method that you use. So let me go to Apple Pay, for example. Now let me switch to another one. And under the section billing address, you want to make sure that your billing address matches what your bank has on file. Because even small mismatch can cause verification to fail. Third, you can try removing and re-adding your payment method. So to delete your payment method, simply tap Edit in the top right, then tap minus sign next to the payment method that you wish to remove. Then you have to restart your device. And after this, you want to open Payment and Shipping section and press Add Payment Method button, where you can fill in all information about your payment card, about your payment method, and then tap Done to save your card. Okay, and fourth fix that you can try is checking for unpaid subscriptions. In settings, let's go back to section Media and Purchases. Here, select View Account. And now let's go to Subscriptions. So if there is an unpaid subscription, Apple will block new downloads until it is resolved. So you have to pay for all your subscriptions and also for paid applications. You can go to Purchase History, and at the top you want to set some filters. And when you see the application that is unpaid, you want to pay for it. So it will be displayed right here. And if none of those four steps helped you, you can try signing out and then sign back into your Apple ID account, because there could be some temporary glitches that could be resolved by performing a soft reset. So you want to tap your name at the top. Now let's scroll to the very bottom to this red sign out button. You want to press it, then you have to restart your device and then sign in back to your Apple ID account. So I believe that after completing those steps, you should resolve your verification problem. And if this video helps you, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.